suck so fucking much. How the f does that not count?
So do you guys know like this game all day?
Got the red rank, all I cared about.
So stupid this game has garbage hit detection. Enjoy the 20 gigs in a nothing game. Losers.
Rolling with bullshit burst and flashlight.
Abuses the flashlight mechanic by using the flashlight. Field glass killer even when they look away and they know how to use that
Easy report 5 away. Got him. God, what is it gonna be this time? Body blocking killer, which goes against proper game mechanics. And it messes up the killer so they can't target the survivor they need to punish those who abuse his grief mechanic. Garbage body blockers. Do your gens next time. Stop f***ing up my strats. Body blocker killer, abusing bad game mechanics. Y'all clowned around the game, took way longer. Stop being a hero and do your damn gens.
Enjoy the fucking reports. At least I got the guy who had so he could feed off. Should have been a fucking 2K game, but whatever. They can enjoy the reports.
Yes! No way!
Fucking made by high school dropouts or something.
Oh, nice. Wow. Wow. Oh yeah, what is getting pushed off of my list? Oh no, bye Aku. It was nice having you. Oh shoot, I just accidentally, okay, my bad. Whoops. And then 1. Nice. Windstorm. Oh wow. Oh yeah, okay. Windstorm 100%. New hardest a video on what you in 8 hour or so. Yap. Yeah.